kids, let's explore tasty world of fruits. Hi, I am apple. I am crunchy and sweet and I come in different colors. I am great for snacking and making tasty pies. Hey there, I am orange and I am known for my bright and citrusy flavor. I am packed with vitamin C which helps keep you healthy and strong. Hello kids, I am banana, the yellow fruit with curved shape. I am soft, creamy and full of energy. And you can add me in your smoothies and desserts. Hello kids, I am mango, the king of fruits. I have a sweet and tropical taste and my juicy flesh is vibrant orange and yellow. I am great for eating and using in smoothies. Hey kids, I am watermelon, the big juicy fruit with red flesh. I am perfect for hot summer days as I am incredibly refreshing and hydrating. Hi, I am strawberry. I am small, red and covered with tiny seeds. I am super sweet and delicious. You can add me in salads or even use me to make yummy desserts. Aloha, I am pineapple, the tropical fruit with spiky exterior. I am sweet and tangy and my golden flesh is full of vitamins. Hello little ones, we are grapes and we come in bunches. We are juicy and come in different colors like green, red and purple. Hello kids, I am pear, a juicy and crunchy fruit. I come in different shapes and colors like green and yellow. I am great addition to salads and make a tasty snack. Remember kids, each fruit is unique and offer its own set of delicious flavor and health benefits. Try to add them in your daily diet.